Did you know that certain plants can boost each other's growth and keep pests away just by being planted next to each other? This incredible technique is called companion planting, and it can transform your garden. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of companion planting. We'll show you how pairing the right plants can lead to a healthier, more productive garden. These simple combinations can make a huge difference in your gardening success. If you're new here, make sure to watch the full video to learn these powerful tips. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting gardening videos. Let's get started with the magic of companion planting. Top 9 companion planting combinations. Did you know that certain plants have superpowers when planted together? It's true. Let's uncover the top 10 companion planting combinations that will blow your mind and revolutionize your garden. Number 1, peppers. Eggplant. Did you know that eggplants can provide cool shade for peppers and help them thrive even in scorching hot weather? It's like having a natural umbrella in your garden. Basil. Not only does basil taste amazing with peppers, but it also acts as a protective shield, keeping pests away and nurturing the soil for healthy growth. Number 2, tomatoes. Tomatoes and basil are the ultimate flavor duo in the garden. But did you know that basil also serves as a powerful pest repellent, keeping your tomatoes safe and sound? French marigold. Say goodbye to harmful root pests with French marigolds. These vibrant flowers not only add beauty to your garden, but also act as guardians, protecting your precious tomatoes from underground threats. Lettuce. Lettuce thrives in the shade of tomatoes, enhancing its flavor and ensuring a bountiful harvest. It's like getting a bonus crop while growing your tomatoes. Number 3, cucumbers. Corn. Cucumbers love to climb, and corn provides the perfect natural trellis for them. Plus, it acts as a bodyguard, shielding cucumbers from pests and predators. Radishes/buckwheat. Fight off pesky cucumber beetles with radishes or buckwheat. These quick-growing companions are like the superheroes of your cucumber patch, keeping the villains at bay. Number 4, corn. Beans. Beans are the best buddies of corn, adding nutrients to the soil and climbing up corn stalks for support. It's a win-win partnership in the garden. Squash. Squash plants are like the garden's carpet, covering the soil, preventing weeds, and providing shade for their corn and bean companions. Number 5, beans. Potatoes. Beans and potatoes make the perfect team, keeping each other's beetle enemies away. It's like having a built-in security system in your garden. Cosmos flowers. Invite friendly ladybugs to your garden with cosmos flowers. These beautiful blooms attract the ultimate pest controllers, ensuring a pest-free environment for your beans and potatoes. Number 6, squash. Marigolds/bee balm/catnip. Keep squash beetles at bay with marigolds, bee balm, or catnip. These aromatic companions not only repel pests, but also add a touch of beauty to your squash patch. Number 7, brassicas, cabbage, broccoli, etc. Onions. Onions are the natural enemies of aphids, making them the perfect companions for brassicas like cabbage and broccoli. Sage/thyme/oregano. Protect your brassicas from pesky moths with sage, thyme, or oregano. These fragrant herbs act as guardians, ensuring a pest-free harvest. Dill. Attract helpful wasps to your garden with dill. These beneficial insects prey on pests, keeping your brassicas safe and healthy. Number 8, carrots and lettuce. Benefits. Carrots provide shade for lettuce, while lettuce improves soil moisture and suppresses weeds, creating a perfect partnership for a thriving garden. Number 9, potatoes. Beans. Beans help deter potato beetles, while potatoes provide a sturdy support for beans to climb. It's a match made in gardening heaven. Horseradish/garlic. repel pests naturally with horseradish or garlic. These powerful plants keep pests at bay, ensuring a healthy potato harvest. Fast-growing crops, radishes/lettuce. Maximize your garden space by planting fast-growing crops like radishes or lettuce alongside potatoes. You'll enjoy a quick harvest before your potatoes grow tall, making the most of your garden's potential. Stay tuned as we continue to unveil the secrets of successful companion planting. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting gardening tips and tricks. Let's grow together. Now that you've seen some incredible companion planting combinations, you might be wondering, how does this magical gardening technique actually work? How companion planting works. Companion planting works like a harmonious symphony in your garden, with each plant playing a vital role in supporting its neighbors. But what makes it so effective? Companion planting leverages the natural abilities of plants to help each other grow and thrive. Here's how it happens. Pest control. Some plants emit natural chemicals or scents that repel pests, protecting themselves and their neighboring plants. For example, marigolds release compounds that deter harmful insects like aphids and squash beetles. Nutrient cycling. Different plants have unique nutrient needs and root structures. By planting complementary crops together, you can maximize nutrient uptake and minimize competition for resources. For instance, legumes like beans have nitrogen-fixing bacteria in their roots, which enrich the soil for neighboring plants like corn or squash. Habitat creation. Companion planting creates diverse habitats within your garden, attracting beneficial insects like pollinators and predators. Flowers like cosmos or herbs like dill and thyme lure in pollinators like bees and butterflies, while predatory insects like ladybugs feast on harmful pests, keeping your garden ecosystem in balance. Microclimate management. Plants also influence their environment by modifying temperature, humidity, and light levels. Tall crops like corn or sunflowers can provide shade and wind protection for smaller, more delicate plants like lettuce or spinach, creating microclimates that promote optimal growth. Allelopathy. Some plants release chemicals that inhibit the growth of nearby competitors or pests. For example, onions and garlic produce compounds that deter aphids and root pests, while also suppressing weeds around them. In essence, companion planting is like orchestrating a symphony of plant interactions, where each species contributes its unique talents to the overall harmony of the garden. By understanding these natural relationships, you can create a thriving, resilient ecosystem where plants support and protect each other, leading to healthier crops and higher yields. So, the next time you're planting your garden, consider the power of companion planting to unlock its full potential. Your plants will thank you for it, and you'll reap the rewards of a flourishing and abundant harvest. Stay tuned as we explore more gardening tips and tricks to help you become a master gardener. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into the world of gardening. Let's grow together. Now that you understand the magic behind companion planting, let's dive into some essential tips to ensure your garden thrives with this technique. Tips for successful companion planting. Companion planting can work wonders in your garden, but to make the most of it, you need to follow these key tips. Plan your garden layout smartly. Before you start planting, take some time to plan out your garden layout. Consider factors like sunlight exposure, soil type, and water availability. Group plants together based on their compatibility and space requirements, ensuring that each species has enough room to grow and thrive. Know what each plant needs. Different plants have different needs when it comes to soil, water, and sunlight. Take the time to research the requirements of each species you're planting and group them accordingly. For example, place sun-loving plants like tomatoes and peppers in sunny spots, while shade-tolerant crops like lettuce and spinach can thrive in the shadow of taller plants. Watch and tweak plant pairings for best results. Gardening is a dynamic process, and it's essential to observe how your plants interact over time. Keep an eye out for any signs of pest or disease problems, as well as any competition for resources. If necessary, make adjustments to your plant pairings or layout to optimize growth and minimize issues. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new combinations to see what works best in your garden. By following these tips, you can create a harmonious and productive garden using companion planting techniques. With careful planning and observation, you'll be able to maximize the benefits of this natural gardening method and enjoy a bountiful harvest season after season. Stay tuned as we continue to share more insights and advice to help you become a successful gardener. And if you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Let's grow together. Now that you've learned the ins and outs of companion planting, it's time to reap the rewards in your own garden. Let's recap the incredible benefits and encourage you to give these plant pairings a try. Final thoughts. Companion planting offers a multitude of benefits for your garden, including increased productivity. By harnessing the power of plant interactions, you can boost yields and enjoy a more abundant harvest. Natural pest control. Certain plant combinations help repel pests and reduce the need for harmful chemical pesticides. Improved soil health. Companion planting promotes nutrient cycling and soil fertility, leading to healthier, more resilient plants. Biodiversity. By creating diverse plant communities, you can attract beneficial insects and wildlife, creating a thriving ecosystem in your garden. We encourage you to experiment with these companion planting combinations in your own garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's something magical about watching plants support and nurture each other as they grow. So, grab your gardening gloves and get ready to create your own symbiotic garden paradise. With a little planning and experimentation, you'll soon discover the joy and satisfaction of companion planting. And remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or challenges along the way. Embrace the process, learn from your experiences, and celebrate the successes, big and small. We wish you the best of luck on your gardening journey. May your garden be filled with abundance, beauty, and the sweet taste of success. Thank you for joining us on this gardening adventure. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you grow the garden of your dreams. Happy gardening, and may your green thumb flourish.